Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm doing a vlog trying to show you guys how I set my station whenever I have a client, because I do book, like I get bookings like minimum of 4 bookings in a week. So if you live in UK, you will know that UK apartments are really small, so we try to manage it. So on this side, I'm just going to show you guys around how my settings or my environment, how it looks. For those who have been asking, how do you manage to work at home? Yeah, this is how I manage to work at home. So I'm just going to turn the camera around to show you guys what I have already set up. So just in case you want to start braiding at home, you want to start making hair at home, or other stuff, you want to make part of a session in your house, to use it to do maybe a business or whatever you think of apart from braiding or making hair, yeah, this might give you a little idea on how to do that. So whenever I film, you always see one session, which is this session. This is where you always see. I'm just going to do the dual camera because I'm actually using this iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let me switch to the dual camera. So this is what my setting look like. I use those newer ring lights. The newer ring lights from the video, it might not be bright, but I bet you this is very, very bright and very white. So I've tried the ring light and then I tried this. I prefer this because this newer light did not give me that round circle the way ring light will give you when you're filming, and sometimes it shows on your video, which I don't really like. So I prefer this, and to my own thinking, I think this is more brighter than the ring light because I've used the ring light and I've used this, so I know this is more brighter. And for the first time, I'm using this extra light on this end. I normally use this when I'm doing a vlog or a video for a client, or when I'm collaborating with a client. I use this extra light. This is my husband's office, by the way, because it doesn't work on Saturdays, it works Monday to Friday. That's why I'm able to put that light over there. So just make sure you use your space as much as you can. It's very easy to do. And this is my attachment rack. This rack is a lifesaver, most especially when I'm making knotless braid like I want to do today. It makes it so easy for me to work with. I'll just put the extension there, and before you know it, I'm done. It makes it very easy. You can roll it 360. You can move it anyhow you want it. You see the legs. Yeah, it rolls very, very well. So if you want that attachment rack, I have it on my Amazon storefront. You can check it out as well. By the way, I always use my phone to film. I don't use camera. I bought camera, very expensive one, but I can actually count one hand on the number of time I've used the camera. And then I said, you know what, I had to sell it. By the time I was selling it, it's about 1,000 plus, even though I bought it for about 3,000 plus the length. And yeah, a very good camera, but I think I prefer the phone. That's the reason why I actually upgrade my 16 to 17 Pro Max. This is the seat I would normally use for my clients. You can adjust it up and down. Just do what works for you though. And I have mirror here that I can, maybe if the client wants to see the progress, how it looks like, I just say, you know what, check it and tell me if it's what you want or so. So that's what that mirror is for. And this is the little space I'm using. By the way, I'm in my kitchen, and this is the size of my kitchen. You know, if you live in the UK have a very small space, so we try as much as possible to manage the space. But I've been, excuse me, I've been kind of lucky to have a little bit of a space in my kitchen. So you can use anywhere you like. You can use a place in your living room. Depends on what you're doing. Maybe you want to do makeup, or you are into makeup, or you're into other stuff that you need to actually film. Just take a position, a side on your, just take a side in your room, and then decide to make that place your office, like where you would always use. Like me, if I'm filming, you will always see this background, this area, because I'll always put my camera on this end, so all you're seeing is this area. So if you're not being told I'm actually using my kitchen, most of the time you won't know. Sometimes because I'm uploading on YouTube, and you have to keep your phone like this, that's the reason why you will even see some kitchen utensils. If not, if the phone is like this, you will hardly even know that I'm actually in the kitchen. So that's another thing you have to bear in mind. And also, if you have a shed, you can do with your shed as well. That's my shed. I actually got this bigger shed just because I was thinking that, oh, you know what, I'm going to use it to do my business place where I can make hair, clients can come in. But along the line, my husband was just like, instead of spending money trying to insulate that place and make it warm and the rest, why don't you just stick to using the kitchen while we use this shed for storage? So that's the reason why I'm not actually using the shed. Yeah, so this is the space I'm actually using. This is what my space look like. I hope this video helped. If it helps, please let me know in the comment section. Put drop a comment if this has been helpful, and if you like the video, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you're not following me and you like to see videos like this, please do me a favor by hitting on the subscribe button, press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I do upload new videos every Thursday, so if you don't want to miss any of my new upload, feel free to hit on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.